okay, baby. You're okay. You're okay. You're okay. You just had your medicine. Yeah. You did. Mm-hmm. Yeah. Good job. We're okay? We're okay, baby? Yeah. You're okay now. So, she does that right after you give her medicine for a few seconds, which is the same as the cough that I was describing. I don't know if it's a cough or not, but there it is. Yeah. That's what you're doing. Are you okay? That sounds like a cough to me, huh? Huh. Or a sneeze.